in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable your microphone on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to go and select sound. And then scrolling down again underneath advanced, select all sound devices. And then underneath input devices, select your microphone. And if you want to disable it, just select don't allow. Or if you want to enable it, select the allow option. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.